26 inches body wave. Ooh-wee. Alright, jumping right into this video, let me show you guys how the wig came packaged. It's a pretty color. I love the gray and pink. Wig cap. Ooh, 26 inches? Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, look how lovely. 26 inches body wave. Frontal. Looky. And this is 13x4 lace. You got combs, adjustable straps. The hairline has been pre-plucked. You see all of that in there? So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my knots right quick. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I bleached my knots and like blow dried the top of the hair because I didn't get the bottom wet. And then I went ahead and just tinted my lace. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to be taking y'all through the steps that I do to achieve like a flawless install per company's request. Alright, so once you've done the first step and you've bleached your knots and tinted your lace, before I actually install this wig, I will just press everything back. And you guys, let's just take a second to look at this hairline. Okay, so I'm going to be using this because I'm running out of my Ghost Bond. And we're going to do 2 layers. So let's flip this back. Let's get up close and personal for this. Okay, I did that hole a little too big. Whoa! Alright, don't be trying to mess up my install now. How long have this been sitting? Okay, I think I saved it. I think I'm good. Oh my god. Okay, bitch, let me do a dot. You know how the girls be doing the dot? Dot, 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 dot. No, wig. We got places to go. We got people to see. Dot, dot, dot. Don't play. So I'm only going to do the actual install tonight. And then tomorrow I'll be back to style it. Because I just love how my wigs look when I install them and then sleep overnight. Like, it be so melted. Okay, that's layer 1. We're going to go back in with 1 more layer. Alright, let's get this bad boy down. Pull this down. You eating, girl? Okay, let's hope I didn't go past the glue. And now I will just cut my lace. Alright, so I think I'm going to style it like this. Like, pull everything back. Do me some baby hair, of course, because, yeah. And this is how I look right now. Put my scarf back on, wrap it up for the night. I'm spray a little holding spray just on the very edge. Last step, let's put this on. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. So, take this off. Oh yeah, did the little headband curling method. I did put that at the end last night. Woo! Ouch! I'm ready to do me some baby hair. You better believe that. Let's take these off. Ooh, these came out good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Pretty curls. Alright, so now let's work on the hairline. And I love that pulled up like that. And then I think I'm going to pull this back to do a style. Or should I just keep it down? Damn, bitch, I might just keep this shit down. Ooh-wee. Okay, let me see. For my girls that love no baby hair, forehead on 10. I need to do some baby hair. I need to pluck that. So, am I gonna pluck this out or no? I don't know. I think that's good enough. Make sure I don't over pluck it while I'm still plucking. Help me, Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and not be a lazy bitch. Yeah. Okay. I did this side as well. Now let's section it off. Okay, made it to the other side. Okay, let's see if I can get this real sleek. All right, so I'm gonna start off with a scrunchie, but then I'm gonna remove the scrunchie and use a rubber band. Okay, and next I'm gonna use some of this wax pomade here, this much. Okay, so that sleek back all the flyaways instantly. And now I'll use my Fantasia spritz. Now let's add the rubber band. Okay, now let's slide this scrunchie off. Just pull that a little bit from the back. Make sure that that's covered. Perfect. All right, now let's swoop. Okay, now I'm all done swooping them. I'm gonna put a little extra wrap lotion and then I'm gonna tie it down. No way. Okay, so I just finished my hair. Get with it. Pull back. Extra baby hair. All right, let me do my makeup. Done. Okay, hair is gorgeous. All right, y'all, so here's the finished look for today. Pulled it back, got my grown and sexy going on, you know. So all right, you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and I'll see you next time.